we are here. So we just landed to Animal Kingdom.
Just got off the full packed bus. We were the last ones inside because I was running for my life just getting inside that bus. The bus was about to leave, but then it stopped and then it opened. And there's like, Animal Kingdom? Yes, please! Okay, we stepped up the stairs. And we fully loaded the entire bus.
Yeah. Well, the good thing is we already have our tickets. We don't have to fall in line, right?
And I get to do the dash.
Well, first we gotta pass security.
That'd be good.
So we just passed our security check.
Security guard really said one tap on my bag and okay, you're good. Yeah, I don't have any items inside. Very prohibited.
And now we're on our way inside the park. Look at that. Look at that big tree.
Ito na nga. Isa sa mga experience namin sa Orlando, Florida, sa Animal Kingdom. Sa mini-film na to, magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang segment, 2 parts for this mini-film. At dito ay may dalawang pangyayari. Isa ay tungkol sa aking bunsong anak at ang pangalawa, ang experience namin sa safari. Sa part 2, adalhin namin kayo sa musical ng Lion King. Pagkatapos sa Avatar, doon nyo makikita lahat ng mga experience na napanood nyo sa isang pelikulang Avatar.
Speaking of weather, it's 50 to 60 today. There is, like the past few days, have you noticed that it was cold
Yeah.
on both Disney Springs and Magic Kingdom and Epcot? It was cold on all of those 3 days. Now today, it's more sunny. You can see the whole difference. That's the weather for today. I'm like your weather forecaster.
Yeah.
And then it will be cold again in the 40s. Oh, near like 49.
Yeah.
But that's when we get to the hotel, so we're gonna be fine.
We're gonna be fine.
So sa commentary at storytelling na ginagawa, gaya ng ginagawa ko ngayon, bibigyan natin ng opportunity ang anak kong panganay magsalita. Sana narinig nyo naman. Kasi itong vlog na to is actually between me and my daughter Renee. Makikita nyo. She's an aspiring commentator.
Yeah, it's coming this way.
Isa sa mga papagalak sa mga anak ko ay mga agaya nito mga character na to. We don't know what they are called. My daughter just called her plant lady.
There she is.
Follow the plant lady. Quick! Follow the plant lady. Hi, plant lady.
Yay. Oh, let's take a photo of her.
Plant lady. Yeah. Woo. Plant lady.
Alam niyo mga kaibigan, sa pagpasok pa lang namin dito we are in a moment of living in anticipation. Yun lang ang pakiramdam namin. We don't really know what to expect when it comes to this theme park. So at the moment talagang we are just living in anticipation, which makes it really fun, tsaka masaya, exciting. Nyo pay attention kayo sa lugar na to. Napaka-simbolo at napaka-importanteng lugar, memorable para sa aming pamilya. Sa lugar na to ay nawala namin ang anak namin na si Rose ng mga 15 minutos. Siyempre sa kinakasama ng loob niya, nilibot ko yung buong area sa paghahanap. Pinasok ko yung mga ilang store yung pinasok ko para lang makita siya kung saan siya nag-iikot, at nakita naman namin agad may tulong ng mga cast member. Kaya kung di nyo alam kung anong cast member ay mga staff ng park.
What's your brother? What's your brother? I'm gonna look for it. Okay, stay with mommy.
Dahil lang sa isang bracelet na tinatawag niyang tiara, nawala siya ng mga 15 minutos. So today kind of gave us a scare because my baby ran and we almost lost her again because she lost the tiara. Now she found it. Cast member found it. Mommy, look. Mommy, look. Mommy. Mommy. Wait, nakakita ng cast member. Oh, sa pangyayari na to, medyo alert na kami sa buong araw.
Where's Africa?
Ay, ang sarap pakinggan pag narinig mo ang anak mong kumakanta. Kahit mga ganun pa simple-simple lang.
Baka may side vendor lang.
Yeah, yeah. Now walking to
Goodbye, maps.
Africa.
Yeah, pagpasok mo pa lang dito sa area ng African Experience, buhay na buhay na. Sa mga music, mga vendors, mga tao, buhay na buhay. Alam niyo mga kaibigan, hindi pa kaming pamilya, hindi pa kami nakakarating sa Africa. So ito ang pinaka-closest experience namin if ever we decided to travel Africa. Kakatawa, no? Pero ito na, we're trying our best to at least feel the moment at enjoy the moment.
Standby safari to. So lightning tayo pero 11:40. So let's eat while waiting.
So at this point, we're waiting for our safari ride. Yun ang mission namin dito sa Africa Experience. Hinihintay namin yung ride namin. Sa nakita nyo naman ang haba ng linya. Ayan. At syempre itutour namin yung African Experience. Parang nasa Africa ka touring a safari ride. Nasa isa kang sasakyan.
Look at that.
Now heading to a safari lightning lane. Ayan, nakapasok na kami sa loob. Gusto na naming ma-ride din na kami makapaghintay sa pag-ride ng safari. Ito ang mga first experience namin ito at excited kami.
It's at 3:02. 3:02 yan. Actually, we can watch right.
Isa sa mga advantage namin pag pupunta kami sa mga theme park is nakakapasok kami agad ng madalian. Na-avoid namin ang mga 2 oras na linya, 3 oras na linya. 15 minutes lang, mga 10 to 15 minutes nasa loob na kami at makakasakay na kami. Malamang na naitatanong nyo sa sarili kung bakit kami nakakapasok agad. Nakakapasok kami agad dahil sa isang disability pass. So yun ang advantage namin. Kaya kami nakakapasok ng madalian sa linya.
Okay. Look, Riley. You know this is safari ride? Yeah. 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 How about Renee? Spit. Yeah, spit eyes. Wow, that's the ride right there. We're now embarking our first safari ride. Hi, Renee. Just waiting for our transport.
Wait for our next transport for the next party.
Please keep a group together. Keep up with the party in front of you. It is not necessary to form a single file line. If you are traveling with a stroller, please have children and backpacks unloaded
Here we go.
our stroller parking area.
Watch your step, baby. Watch your step. Watch your step. Good job.
Ngayon na nakasakay na kami dito sa tram for the safari ride, nakita nyo naman na hindi talaga siya full-scale safari experience. Siyempre, theme park ito. At lahat ng mga nakikita nyo na scenery is mga man-made. Of course, designed to accommodate the needs of the wild animals they trying to showcase. Siyempre, sa mga wild animals, yun lang mga safe to distance ang sinushowcase nila, mostly yung mga lion, yung mga aggressive carnivore na wild animals, of course mga nakasarado.
Now folks, this does bring us to the end of our safari tour today, and we are going to make our ways back to the village. But if there is one...
Okay. That was a fun ride. I like that safari ride.
Yeah, that was
something.
really bumpy. You like bumpy rides, this ride's for you.
Ayan po, at ito na po ang conclusion ng ating first part of the film experience dito sa Animal Kingdom. At sana po antabayanan nyo ang part 2 na tatalakayan natin, lalo na sa loob ng isang musical event, Lion King. Tapos ang pinakaabangan nating final moment dito sa Animal Kingdom ay yung Avatar. Siyempre, we saved our best for last. At sana po masubaybayan nyo ang aming part 2 sa susunod nitong mini film version namin sa Animal Kingdom. At kung gusto nyo po tong vlog namin, paki-like, share, and subscribe lang po dito sa Lumaki sa America channel. Maraming salamat po, at tabayanan nyo ang susunod naming experience sa Animal Kingdom.